Probably heard the term quantum physics before, but what does it actually mean? Let's break it down. Quantum physics is the science that explains how the tiniest things in the universe behave, things like atoms, electrons, and photons. Unlike the world we can see and touch, the quantum world plays by completely different rules. For example, imagine turning on a light. To us, it seems like a smooth, steady beam. But at the quantum level, light is made of tiny packets called photons. These aren't just waves or particles, they're both at the same time. This is known as wave-particle duality, and it's one of the weirdest ideas in quantum physics. Another strange concept, superposition. In the quantum world, particles can be in multiple states at once. Think of flipping a coin. In our everyday world, it's either heads or tails, but in the quantum world, it could be in a state that's both heads and tails until you look at it. This leads to another important idea: observation changes reality. Just measuring or observing a quantum particle forces it to choose a state. It's like the universe doesn't decide what's real until you look at it. Then there's entanglement, maybe the most mind-blowing part of quantum physics. If two particles become entangled, their properties become linked no matter how far apart they are. If you change one, the other responds instantly, even if it's on the other side of the galaxy. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. Now you might wonder, how is this useful? Isn't this just science fiction? Actually, quantum physics powers much of our modern world. It's the reason we have lasers, GPS, MRI machines, and even the microchips in your phone or computer. And the future? Think quantum computers that could solve problems too complex for today's fastest supercomputers. Of course, quantum physics isn't easy to understand. Even Einstein struggled with it. But here's the exciting part: scientists are still learning more. New discoveries are happening all the time, and they could completely change how we understand the universe. So the next time you hear quantum, don't be intimidated. It just means science is exploring the tiniest building blocks of reality, where things don't always follow common sense, but they follow some of the most beautiful rules nature has to offer.